Now that we are done with most of the living substances of the cell, that is cell organelles which were actively involved in metabolic processes, we are going to deal with non-living components of the cell which are known as cytoplasmic inclusions. They are the non-living substances, or the other term for them is ergastic substances. Okay. As I am using the term non-living, that means they will not be involved in any metabolic activity. Second point of remembering that these cytoplasmic inclusions, they won't be involved in any sort of metabolic activity which involves the breakdown, catabolism or anabolism, nothing, no such involvement in direct case. Then there is no membrane which is present around these cytoplasmic inclusions. That means whatever would be present, it would not be membrane bound, it would be present as it is in the cell. So what are the cytoplasmic inclusions? We need to see that. First is that you find glycogen granules, and you know where the glycogenolysis and glucogenolysis takes place. You are going to find these glycogen granules most prominently in liver cells and muscle cells, of course. So in case of animal cells, you are going to find the glycogen granules which would have glycogen present in them, and apart from that you would find lipid droplets which would have many types of lipids present in the fat cells. Supposedly I am talking about adipose tissue, so you are going to find lots of lipid droplets present in the form of ergastic substances of the cells. And then there is the question of pigment granules, the skin pigmentation, melanocytes and all, they have these pigment granules which have pigments inside them, present inside them, responsible for pigmentation. As in the case of our hair cells, they are pigmented, they are colored because they have the ergastic substances of which are having pigments inside them responsible for the coloration. And at times these granules or the inclusions may have secretory products like hormones or digestive juices or mucus. So these are the secretory substances which could be present inside the cytoplasmic inclusions. And the point of remembrance that you have to make sure that you don't forget about cytoplasmic inclusions are these three, that they are non-living substances, they don't perform any metabolic activity, and they do not have any membrane. So this is all about cytoplasmic inclusions, and with this we come to the end of all types of organelles which are present inside a living cell. Thank you.